Are you facing Stremio catalog not loading error message? Then this video is for you. So first of all, you need to open Stremio as an administrator. So open this Stremio app, right click here and click on run as administrator. So this issue usually occurs because of corrupted community add-ons, outdated third-party add-ons, add-on server downtime, cache issues, and VPN or firewall blocking configuration. So I will give you this solution in this video. First of all, you need to reconfigure community add-ons after opening Stremio. So make sure to go to this add-ons section. You can see there is a puzzle icon. Add-ons is written here. Just tap on this. You can see in my add-ons which add-ons you have installed. So these are the add-ons which I have installed. If you find any suspicious add-on, you need to uninstall it. You can see uninstall option is showing. So for any suspicious add-on, you just need to click on this uninstall button and remove this suspicion add-on. So after that, you need to reinstall the trusted add-on and reinstall necessary add-ons from the official trusted sources only. So make sure to go for this. You can go to the opening browser as well. You can see at the top, you can see opening browser option is showing. You can just tap on here, and you can also click new version you need to install. You can see if you are asking for new version is available upgrade, so you need to click on this relaunch now option if it is asking for the new version. So make sure to launch it to the new version and install the latest version. From here as well, web from .stremio, you can install the latest add-ons sections, and you can install this add-ons if you want, and you can install the apps from here as well. After installing add-ons, you need to restart Stremio, close the app completely and reopen it. Then simply close the app from here, and you need to restart it. Now check whether this problem is occurring or not, and now you can check if catalog loads properly or not. There's another method. You can clear the Stremio cache. For this, you need to press Windows and R from your keyboard, and herein you need to type percentage app data percentage, and herein just open this. Now you need to look here Stremio app. You can just go for the Stremio folder. You can see there is Stremio showing here. Just open this, and you can see you just need to open this, and herein you will get this Stremio cache folder. Just right click here in Stremio cache folder, and you just need to select delete option and delete this folder. So next step is you need to check the internet and VPN. Disable VPN temporarily if you are using. Try switching your network or Wi-Fi. You can try to go for the Wi-Fi from your mobile, try to connect it and see whether internet is causing. You can also allow Stremio in firewall. So I hope you know how to allow. You can simply go to Windows search and type allow and click on this option, allow an app through Windows firewall. Herein you need to click on this change settings option, and you need to allow if you find Stremio here, you can just look for here. Stremio is showing here or not. Scroll down, you can see Stremio. I have checked it and clicked on allowed. You need to click Stremio here. Both of them, all the Stremio. You can see two Stremio showing for me, and you need to check this private and public both and click on this OK option and allow it. If nothing works for you, you can do one thing. You can uninstall and reinstall Stremio. You can simply go to control panel and uninstall Stremio from your control panel, and go to the official website of Stremio and reinstall it once again, and make sure to do that. In control panel, click on uninstall a program. You can see Stremio is here. Just select this and click on this uninstall option. Now you need to open stremio.com/download. Make sure to download Stremio from this website only, because this is the official website of Steam. And after downloading it, make sure to restart your PC and try to open Stremio once again and see whether you're facing same issue or not. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention that problem in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just click on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.